For the most English learners, the verb get can seem quite difficult and confusing because they don't know when to use it and where. The verb get it has many different meanings and uses. That's why we can hear the native speakers use it in their daily conversation.
We need to get these both things quickly.
Got to explain to my wife why I'm late for dinner, Lieutenant.
Where you going, sir? To get Reese.
So, in this video we are going to learn the most common uses of the verb get. Let's start with the verb to obtain. The verb to get sometimes means to obtain. To get something means also to obtain something. That will be clear when we take some examples. So let's take this example. I need to get some files from the archive. So instead of saying I need to get some files from the archive, we can say I need to obtain some files from the archive. So to get here means also to obtain. The second use of the verb to get is to take. Sometimes the verb to get can mean also to take. To get something means also to take something. That will be more clear in the following example. Let's take this example. She gets a taxi to work every day. We can also say she takes the taxi to work every day. The third use of the verb to get is to receive. The verb get can also mean to receive. To get something means also to receive something. So let's practice on the following example. So let's take this example. Did you get my email? We can also say, did you receive my email? To get here means also to receive. To get email, to receive email. The third use of the verb to get is to understand. The verb get can also mean to understand. To get something means also to understand something. So let's work on the following example. This example said, I didn't get you. So it's the same as saying I didn't understand you. I didn't get you here means also I didn't understand you. The last use of the verb to get is to become. To get something means also to become something. So let's take the following example. So let's work on this example. It's getting colder, put on your jacket. So instead of saying it's getting colder, we can say it's becoming colder. It's the same. It's getting colder, it's becoming colder are the same.